Hello guys, today in this video we'll see how to reset the iPhone. So it's very simple and straightforward. So go to the setting, go to general, go all the way down, transfer reset phone, erase all contents, then continue. In my case I have a eSIM, so I don't need it. Now put the phone passcode. Once you put the passcode, then you have to turn off the Find My iPhone so that someone else can use it, otherwise they can't use it. For that, go to the Find My iPhone, then turn off from here. So you have to wait for some time. Now this is done. Let's go to the back to the SIM setting, which is over here. So once you turn off from Find My iPhone, then go to the back to the SIM setting, general, and reset the phone. And after that, just click the blue button and the phone will go on reset mode, and it is erasing right now. It might take some time, it might restart several times, so just be patient. If you have any doubt in this part, then please do let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So my phone is finally resetted, so it's on the home page. So this is how we can reset the phone. Please do like my video and comment on the video if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching the video.